Ways to remove a wheel lock without a key. Today, we're going to tackle a common problem a lot of car owners face: removing a wheel lock without the key. It's a frustrating situation, but we've got 3 different methods we're going to walk you through, from the least invasive to the most extreme. Welcome to our YouTube channel Auto V-Fix, dedicated to all things automobiles. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to remove a stubborn wheel lock, even if you don't have the original key. Method 1. Universal socket. The first approach is to use a universal socket. This type of socket is designed with expandable pins that can conform to fit a variety of nut and bolt sizes. The idea is to find a universal socket that's large enough to slip over the wheel lock. Start by trying the largest universal socket you have, around 21 and 22 millimeters. Carefully place it over the wheel lock and see if it forms a snug fit. If the socket is too small, you may need to try a larger size. With some leverage, the universal socket should be able to grip and turn the lock. Just be cautious not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage the wheel or surrounding components. Take it slow and steady. Method 2. Grinding down a socket. If the universal socket approach doesn't work, the next step is to modify a regular socket to custom fit the wheel lock. You'll need an air die grinder with a cutoff wheel for this method. Select a socket that's just slightly too big to fit over the lock. Then carefully grind down the sides using the die grinder. Take your time and check the fit frequently, making small adjustments until the socket slides over the lock snugly. Again, be very mindful of your surroundings and avoid accidentally cutting into anything you don't intend to. The goal is to create a socket that can grip the lock securely without causing any additional damage. Method 3. Welding a socket. For a more permanent solution, you can weld a socket directly onto the wheel lock. This gives you a solid, reliable surface to grip with a wrench. First, confirm that the wheel lock is made of metal, as this method won't work on plastic locks. Then, find a socket that's just slightly smaller than the lock itself. Position the socket in the desired orientation, and use a welder to attach it firmly to the top of the lock. With the welded socket in place, you should be able to simply slip a wrench over it and turn the lock free. This is a more involved approach, but it's an effective last resort if the other methods haven't worked. There you have it. 3 different techniques for removing a wheel lock without the original key. Whether it's using a universal socket, grinding down a custom fit, or welding a socket in place, there are solutions available to get you back on the road. Remember, safety should always be the top priority when working on your vehicle. Take your time, use the proper tools, and don't be afraid to get a little creative. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and be sure to hit that notification bell for more great content. Please drop your comments below if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover. We're dedicated to helping you maintain and repair your car like a pro, no matter the issue. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.